Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunities lost reason report in Salesforce. This report is incredibly useful because it helps you analyze why deals aren't closing, giving you valuable insights into patterns that might be affecting your sales performance. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to access the report section in Salesforce. Look for the app launcher, which is the waffle icon typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Reports. This will take you to the main Reports hub where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Once you're in the Reports section, click on New Report. This button initiates the process of building a custom report from scratch, allowing you to pull exactly the data you need. Salesforce will present you with a selection of report types to choose from. In the search bar, type Opportunities and select the Opportunities report type from the results. After selecting it, click Start Report. This sets up the foundation for your report, focusing specifically on opportunity data. Give it a moment to load as Salesforce prepares the Report Builder interface. Now you'll see the Report Builder with various panels. Look for the Filters panel, which is where you'll narrow down your data. First, set the close date range. You can choose current FY if you want to focus on the current fiscal year, or select all time if you need a broader historical view. This ensures you're analyzing the right time frame for your business needs. Next, you'll need to add a filter for opportunity status. Click to add a new filter, search for opportunity status, and set it to equals closed. This isolates only the opportunities that have reached a final decision. But we're specifically interested in lost opportunities, so you'll need to add another filter, search for one, then set it to false. This combination gives you only the closed opportunities that were lost, not won. Now let's organize this data meaningfully. Navigate back to the Outline panel and locate the Group Rows dropdown. Search for and select Loss Reason. This is the critical step that will categorize your lost opportunities by their specific reasons, making it easy to identify trends and common obstacles in your sales process. Finally, it's time to save and run your report. Click Save and Run at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter a report name, so type something clear like Opportunities Lost Reasons. Then choose the folder where you want to store this report for easy access later. Click Save, and Salesforce will generate your report showing all lost opportunities organized by their loss reasons. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report that breaks down why opportunities are being lost, giving you actionable insights to improve your sales strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.